Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Premiere open and your media imported. Start by placing the main clip on the timeline so you can sync subtitles to picture. Make sure the sequence matches your export settings, like 16, 9, and frame rate. Mismatches cause drift. Next, enable the program monitor and set a comfortable zoom level. Once done, scrub through the first minute to note speech beats and mark rough and slash out points so your captions will align with dialogue. You'll now create captions directly. Go New Item, choose Captions, pick Open Captions for styling control, then match the time base to your sequence. Drag the caption item to a track above your footage and double-click to open the Captions panel. Type each line, set in slash out times precisely, and trim using the timeline or captions editor for natural reading speed. Make sure lines are short and readable. Adjust font size and background for contrast, so viewers can read on any device. To finish, decide whether to burn subtitles into the video or export a separate SRT sidecar. Go File, right arrow, Export, right arrow, Media, and pick the caption handling option that fits delivery. Export a short test clip and play it in different players to confirm timing and styling. If captions drift or misalign, make sure sequence and caption time bases match. Then nudge captions by frames or re-export SRT with corrected frame rate settings. If issues persist, reopen the Captions panel and adjust in slash out points manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.